This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zoki Malekwa. Seize the day and make this GL Homes Positano model your home. Located in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community, this 1,977 square feet Positano offers 2 bedrooms, an office, an expansive open floor plan featuring a large kitchen, dining room and great room, and is situated on a sizable corner lot with a spacious backyard. Take note of the barrel tile roof, the whole house gutters, anchors for hurricane shutters, and the modern KICHLER coach lights that light up your approach. This Positano exudes functional quality. Entering the home, you will be welcomed into a tall 10-11 foyer adorned with a transitional chandelier, and an all-encompassing view that will impress. Floors throughout are 17x17 tile on the diagonal, capped by 5.5 baseboards, and beautiful crown molding frames the tin ceilings. Left of the foyer is an expansive eat-in kitchen that affords ample space for the Chef and Sous-Chef too. Cashmere 42 maple cabinets abound. Lower cabinets are topped by luxurious granite counters and an optical glass backsplash. Upper cabinets feature crown molding and under/over cabinet lighting. Stainless steel appliances feature an ultra-quiet BOSCH dishwasher, and a GE profile slide-in range with a convection oven. The dinette has 2 windows and provides a wonderful space for daily or intimate meals. Forward of the foyer is the dining room that will comfortably seat 10 people. An 8 window provides abundant natural light, and a contemporary chandelier will make this space glow at night. Forward of the dining room is a spacious great room that features 8 recessed lights, a 52-hunter lighted ceiling fan, and a 3-panel 12-wide slider that provides a delightful view of the lanai and private backyard. The lanai has 2 recessed lights, a 48-hunter ceiling fan and a 10-screen room extension. It's the perfect space to live outdoors. Right of the foyer is the office/den. Double French doors, a large window, 4 recessed lights and a ceiling fan make this a great flex room to use as you choose. The primary bedroom is at the rear of the home and presents exceptional privacy and comfort. The ensuite features separated vanities with granite counters and expansive mirrors topped by contemporary GEORGE KOVACS vanity lights and a PANASONIC Whisper fan/heater. The glassed walk-in shower features floor-to-ceiling tile, a corner bench, a MOEN Magnetic Engage handheld shower head, safety grab bars for added security, and the West/C features a bidet. Comfort, quality, style, and practicality make the primary suite a true retreat. A second bedroom is at the front of the home and features a ceiling fan, and it will be fully appreciated by your family and guests. The laundry room features a GE high-efficiency top-load washer and dryer, upper storage shelves, and a cabinet utility sink. Environmental comfort.